We'll guide you through how to log out of Outlook. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in Outlook, and so for whatever reason you want to go and log out of your account. Perhaps no longer use it on here, or there's another reason why. It doesn't matter, we're going to guide you through this step by step on exactly how it's done. Make sure this is full guide and don't skip anything, otherwise you may go and miss an important part of this guide. So without any other further ado, let's go and get started. Of course, in the future, you can always go and log it back in. It's not a completely permanent thing. So what you need to do is come into Outlook like so. What you then need to do is go and head to the top right, and you need to go and find the gear or cog icon. That will go and open up the settings. Come over to the left into accounts and then press your accounts, and here is the account I'm going to go and log out. Now just remember, when you log out as well, it's going to go and remove all the data that comes with the emails, etc. of course. So you want to go to the right of it and go and press manage. You're going to go and see some information about it if there's a description, the subscriptions, but scroll all the way down and it'll go and say remove account from Outlook. This is also known as logging out. Press remove. You can then go and confirm the decision. And as you can see, we've now successfully gone and logged and signed out.